मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगा। I will leave no stone unturned. I will leave no stone unturned. आपने अपनी चप्पल गलत साइड में डाल दी है। You have put on your slipper wrong side. You have put on your slipper wrong side. काश मैं घर जा पाता। I wish I could go home. I wish I could go home. काश मैं तुमसे मिल सकता। I wish I could meet you. I wish I could meet you. मैं पूरी दिल से करना चाहता हूँ। I want to do it wholeheartedly. I want to do it wholeheartedly. मैं आपको तहे दिल से पढ़ाना चाहता हूँ। I want to teach you wholeheartedly. I want to teach you wholeheartedly. मैं आज किसी तरह बच गया। I escaped somehow today. I escaped somehow today. मेरे लिए 10 रुपये खर्च हुई। It cost me 10 rupees. It cost me 10 rupees. हमारी बीच कुछ भी नहीं है। There is nothing between us. There is nothing between us. मैंने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है? What wrong I have done to you? What wrong I have done to you? उसने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है? What wrong has he done to you? What wrong has he done to you? इससे आपको क्या नुकसान हो सकता है? What wrong can it cost you? What wrong can it cost you? वो स्पष्ट रूप से आपकी मदद करेंगी। He will obviously help you. He will obviously help you. वो निश्चित रूप से वहाँ जाएगा। He will obviously go there. He will obviously go there. आपको इसकी अनुमति नहीं देनी चाहिए। You should not allow this. You should not allow this. किसी को धोखा मत दो। Don't cheat anybody. Don't cheat anybody. दूसरों में दोष मत ढूंढो। Don't find fault with others. Don't find fault with others. कभी कभी हमें झूठ बोलना पड़ता है। Sometimes we have to speak a lie. Sometimes we have to speak a lie. तुम्हारे पास कितनी पैसे है? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? ये कैसी है? How about this one? How about this one? आप इतनी जल्दी में क्यों हो? Why are you in such a hurry? Why are you in such a hurry? वो ठीक नहीं है। He is not fine. He is not fine. क्या आपको भूख लग रही है? Are you feeling hungry? Are you feeling hungry? फिर बताओ तुम क्या खाना पसंद करोगी। Then tell me what would you like to eat? Then tell me what would you like to eat? क्या आपको देर हो रही है? Are you getting late? Are you getting late? मुझे नहाने दो। Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. आज वर्षा हो सकती है। It may rain today. It may rain today. आपको चोट लग सकती है। You may get hurt. You may get hurt. क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकता हूँ? May I know your name please? May I know your name please? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit here? May I sit here? क्या मैं आपसे बात कर सकता हूँ? May I talk to you? May I talk to you? आप लंबे समय तक जिए। May you live long. May you live long. मुझे नहीं पता कि पराठा कैसे बनाया जाता है। I don't know how to make a paratha. I don't know how to make a paratha. आपके कितनी बच्चे हैं? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? आप मोबाइल पर कितना समय बिताते हैं? How much time do you spend on mobile? How much time do you spend on mobile? आपने तैरना कैसे सीखा? How did you learn swimming? How did you learn swimming? इस मशीन को उपयोग कैसे करें? How to use this machine? How to use this machine? मैं इस पहेली को कैसे हल करूं? How do I solve this puzzle? How do I solve this puzzle? आप एक महीने में कितना कमाते हैं? How much do you earn in a month? How much do you earn in a month? आप उससे कितने बार मिलती है? How often do you meet him? How often do you meet him? यहाँ से बस स्टॉप कितनी दूर है? How far is the bus stop from here? How far is the bus stop from here? तुमने मेरा बैग किसे दिया? Whom did you give my bag? Whom did you give my bag? आपने वहाँ किसको देखा? Whom did you see there? Whom did you see there? मुझे पता है तुम कहाँ रहती हो। I know where you live. I know where you live. बताओ वहाँ क्या हुआ था। Tell me what all happened there. Tell me what all happened there. मैं उसे अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ। I know him very well. I know him very well.